Hi guys, I'm Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of Boxycharm. I wasn't going to do an unboxing this month because I got my box so late. I just got it on Friday. Today is Sunday. And I've seen so many unboxings already of even some of the people that I subscribe to, that they subscribed to me, that I really didn't think it was necessary. The only thing different in my box from all the other unboxings is one product. I did get something that was different, but you know, a couple of people did request that I go ahead and do the unboxing, and I do get a lot of views on my you know, Boxycharm unboxing, so I decided to go ahead and do a really short video on it. So this is a July box, and I already opened it. I already used one of the products, and I'll pull that one out first. And this is the card that comes with it, and it gives you a little description of all of the products. And this month is Boxycharm Road Tripping. And we do get a couple of coupons. One is for Wonder Beauty, 20% off. And the other one is for Pharmacy. That's a skincare line. And it's a Charm 20 for also 20% off. And it's supposed to be a really good line of skincare. I have not used it. The Wonder Beauty, I have used their lipsticks and they're amazing. I do like them very, very much. They have beautiful, beautiful shades, and they go on. They're very buttery. They stay on your lips. They're very comfortable. So I do recommend those. Sephora does carry those, and they actually have, I believe, a couple of them on clearance right now on their sale section. So you may want to check them out if you're interested. They're very pretty. I do enjoy them. So I'm going to start with a product that I used. And this is the Needles No More, No More Baggage, and this is the Dr. Brandt, and this is an eye cream. And I used this today because, I mean, you can still see my dark circles, and this is after putting on, well, I would say 1.5 concealers, because one of the concealers that was supposed to be a concealer from L'Oreal I really didn't care for. That's on another video that you guys are going to watch later on. But so I don't know, I mean, it does go on a little sticky when you put it on. You're supposed to put it on after you do your eye cream, so you pour a little bit in between your fingers and you kind of warm it up and it kind of melts, and then you put it under your under eye, and it does feel sticky, but the rest of the products go on, you know, nicely over it. So I would say that the stickiness doesn't really interfere with the rest of your makeup. So I'll let you know how I like this. Dr. Brandt is a very expensive brand. This is $42 and it's a full size, and he does have very good products. So I would assume that it's a good one. Okay, then we received from Wonder Beauty, this is a mascara. I am not going to open it because I have, and I'm not exaggerating, like 6 mascaras open right now. I just went ahead and went through them this morning and organized them. Yeah, so I don't want to open another one. But this says it's Volume and Curl Mascara. I watched a couple of people that did the unboxing try it on, and it's kind of like, you know, somewhere okay with this, somewhere like not so sure. I have to try it a few more times. Some mascaras, when you first open them and you try them, they're not all that. But after they get a little bit of air in them, they seem to thicken up some, and then they work better. So I don't know, never tried it, but Wonder Beauty is a nice line, and I believe this is $24. So I can let you know, but I don't know when I'm going to be opening this. The next product is for your brows, and this is from Chella, and this is eyebrow cream. It's in taupe, which is something that would not work for me. I usually like to use brunette. So I will probably be giving this to my granddaughter. She uses taupe. And what it is, and I don't know whether they would send me taupe unless they send everybody taupe, because you do fill out something with Boxycharm that lets them know, you know, like the colors of your skin and your brows and the whole bit. But anyway, the product is in here. And this is one end. The other end is the little brush, and then you stick the brush in there, you pull out the product and you apply it. I really don't like these kind of products. I like pencils, and then just an eyebrow, you know, like a, not concealer, but an eyebrow wax or whatever, tamer over it, and that's it. So I really don't use this. I don't want to get into it. I'm just going to give it to my granddaughter. and maybe she can use it. Then, the price on that one is $26. I shouldn't have to look them up, as many unboxings as I have seen, because I do support my friends and I do watch all of their videos, all of the unboxings. Even if it's the same unboxing, I watch it through the end. I want you to know, guys, everyone that I subscribe to, I watch all of your videos through the very end. Okay, this brand is Note. And I believe someone said that they sell this at Ulta. I have never seen it. And this is a blush, and this is $11.99. And everybody got the same shade, Desert Rose. And it's pretty. It's a peach, but I do like those colors. I don't know how good it seems to be pigmented. I already have blush on today, so I don't want to put it on. But it looks pretty on the hand. So it's okay. I like blushes. The only thing is a little bulky. And the reason is, and I hate when companies do this, they make a product bulky packaging so they can include a little brush like this that you end up throwing away. Because you know what happens if you keep it in here? Every time you open this thing to use it, this flips open and that falls on the floor. So the little brush can go bye-bye because I'm not going to mess with it. And the last product is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant. And this is a finishing spray, a setting spray. And I do like this. I have actually used this before and I like it. So I have not used any setting spray today. This is a skin mist and I like this very much. So I'm going to take this little tag off. And I'm glad I got this. Every other unboxing that I have seen, they received an eye palette. This has a very nice mist. It doesn't drench you. It smells amazing. So you just feel like you're just getting like a little mist. You're not getting like some sprays. It's like, wow. It's like a fireman's hose that's trying to get you in the face. So this one is very nice and it's supposed to be radiant. Now I've used it before and it doesn't make you like glowy, shiny or anything like that, but it's absolutely very, very nice. Very nice. So this is my unboxing. This box was okay. I do like these two products for sure. Oh, the setting spray was $25. I do like these two products for sure. And I mean, just two products, 24 and 42 is worth the box. This, I don't know how good it is, but even if it's not all that, it can be an everyday mascara. This I would never use, so, and I don't even know if it's any good. I never heard of the brand Cella. And this definitely I would use, but I mean, you know, it's a $12 blush, so it's no big deal. But not every box can be amazing. As long as you get a couple of, you know, products that are worth the money. The box is $21 a month. So as long as I get enough products to at least, you know, pay for my box, I'm happy. So that is my unboxing for my Boxycharm. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Love you guys. Goodbye.